Hello everyone. Hello Platero, how are you today? Fine? How do you feel? Happy or sad? I am very happy because I have a story for you. A story about colors. Look, the title is Mixed, a colorful story. Mixed, to mix colors. Mezclar. Look at the letters. Can you see the colors? Red, yellow, and blue. But before starting with the story, you need to open your ears. Ready? Very good. So let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. Story time. In the beginning, there were 3 colors: the yellows, the reds, and the blues. Reds were the loudest. La, 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 los más gritones. The yellows were the brightest, like the sun. Can you see bright? And the blues were the coolest. Everyone lived in color harmony until one afternoon when a red said, "Reds are the best." The yellows disagreed. No. Yellows are the best. We are the best because we are the brightest. Los más brillantes. The blues were so cool to even respond. So the colors decided to live in separate parts of the city. The blue in one town, the yellow in another, and the red in another part of the city, in separate parts of the city. But one day, a yellow noticed a blue. "I feel so happy when I am near you, and I feel so calm when I am with you." So yellow and blue became very good friends again. But not all the colors were happy about it. Colors shouldn't mix. "I don't like yellow's effect on blue. That blue isn't bright enough for yellow." But yellow and blue loved each other so much that they decided to mezclarse. And together, they created a new color, and they named the color green. Green was bright like yellow and calm like blue. And the colors began to see new possibilities, and soon other colors mixed. Can you see? And mixed. Red mixed with yellow, and they formed orange. And blue mixed with red, and they formed purple. And all the colors mixed up, and there were so many new colors and a lot of new names in the town. Snip, snap, snout, these tales told out. Did you like the story? ¿Les gustó la historia? ¿Vieron cuántos colores nacieron a partir de la mezcla? ¿sí? El que se anima puede hacer un dibujo y puede mostrarme los colores que aprendimos hoy. Red, yellow, and blue, and the new colors. Purple, green, and orange. Can you do it? Good. I leave you a song to practice the color with crayons. You know, crayons con crayones. Can you sing it? Good. Well, bye-bye, platero. See you later, alligator. Bye-bye-bye, butterfly.